Technology reflects human progress. We often see drones used globally for war and destruction. But in a world that needs love over war and peace over destruction, how beautiful it is to use technology to soothe human souls. From the sacred grounds of Kataragama, Sri Lanka, amidst these holy chants, this drone flower offering to the Kiriwehera Stupa is truly a divine sight. Technology should not be for the wars that burn our hearts, but for the noble deeds that bring peace to our souls. A bridge between modern innovation and ancient devotion, a rain of petals upon the sacred Kiriwehera Stupa, blessings falling from the sky in the land of Katharagama, witnessing the serenity of faith in every falling flower. While some drones carry fire, these carry flowers. A bridge between modern innovation and ancient devotion. The true power of technology lies in its ability to bring peace, witnessing the serenity of faith in every falling flower. Thank you.